I went to McDonald's. No big day.
Yes, can I order 25 McChickens, please?
How many?
25. 25.
Anything else?
Just that.
Okay. Come to the first one.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Oh, 46.60.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
We just pulled up at McDonald's. I got 25 McChickens for my bottle service at Lab. Y'all ain't ready for this. Look at this. So we're at my pregame. Gina and Daniel are helping me get this bottle of Henny into Lab. We are about to clear it out over there. So we're hiding these McChickens. My shot's right here. Cheers.
Happy to the 25th of Joseph's life.
Yes. Okay, guys. Update. We are here in downtown San Jose. I'm here with Michael and Paul. They're right behind me over here. I have my McChickens in my bag right here. I'm walking up to my bottle service, ready to meet some of my friends. Splash is right here in downtown San Jose. But here I am. Chickens are all set right here. I ate one too. You don't want one? What's up, y'all? I am currently super drunk.
Hey, boo.
after lab. Lab was super fun. I'm here with Paul and Michael. We're super drunk. We got hot dogs. They are drunk. I am drunk.
Paid for by Joseph.
My God. We have an Antichrist right here.
He yacked all over my pants. Yacked all over my pants. Oh my God.
I did not yak all over Paul's pants, but anyway.
He yacked all over my pants and then didn't apologize.
I don't apologize because I never make, mistakes.
No, sir. I'm glad you had fun, boo. But it was so much fun, honestly. Hi, boo. You made it.
Was my bottle service fun, y'all?
Yeah. I don't remember
anything.
Yeah, what happened.
Thank you so much for everybody who has come. I love you guys. Bye, everybody. I got a hot dog here. Cheers. See you guys next time.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.